For small businesses hurtling through the ever-shifting cosmos of the financial landscape, OnDeck might appear as a beacon of hope, offering quick infusions of capital when traditional banks leave them adrift. But before boldly venturing into this celestial body, understanding OnDeck's intricate system of interest rates is crucial to avoid gravitational pulls towards financial hardship. Unveiling the APR Nebula. OnDeck's interest rates, much like nebulae themselves, shimmer with a range of possibilities. For term loans, their flagship product, APRs soar between 39.9% and 77.9%, a vast expanse indeed. However, pinpointing your specific rate feels like trying to count stardust. Several factors influence its trajectory. Gravity of creditworthiness. Your personal and business credit scores act as celestial bodies, exerting a powerful gravitational pull. Stellar credit scores might propel you towards the lower end of the APR spectrum, while a tarnished history can send you hurtling towards the upper bounds. Orbital dance of loan amount and term. The loan amount and term, intertwined like celestial bodies in a cosmic waltz, also impact your rate. Borrowing larger sums for longer periods often translates to higher APRs, as OnDeck compensates for increased risk. Conversely, smaller, shorter-term loans might reward you with a lower gravitational pull. Origination fee, a comet's tail. On top of the APR, OnDeck levies an origination fee, a comet's tail trailing the loan. This fee, ranging from 0% to 4%, acts as a tax on your financial voyage, deducted upfront from your loan amount. While subsequent loans might see this fee shrink, it's an additional cost to factor in. Prepayment perks, shooting stars of savings. Unlike many lenders who penalize early repayments, OnDeck offers prepayment perks, akin to shooting stars of savings. You can choose accelerated repayment schedules or make lump sum payments without incurring penalties. In the right conditions, this can shorten your loan term and reduce overall interest paid. Beyond term loans, exploring the lines of credit. For businesses needing flexible funding, OnDeck also offers lines of credit with APRs mirroring those of term loans. However, with lines of credit, interest accrues only on the amount drawn, offering potential cost savings if you utilize the line sparingly. Navigating the nebula responsibly. While OnDeck's interest rates might seem daunting, they cater to a specific niche, businesses with limited access to traditional financing. When compared to alternative avenues like payday loans or merchant cash advances, OnDeck's rates can be significantly lower. However, responsible navigation is key. Before embarking on this financial journey, meticulously assess your needs and explore all options. Compare rates from other lenders, evaluate your repayment capacity, and ensure the loan aligns with your business goals. Remember, high-interest loans that are sometimes necessary should be treated with the same caution as venturing into an uncharted nebula. Charting your course. Understanding OnDeck's interest rates is like deciphering a celestial map. By factoring in your creditworthiness, loan specifics, and potential prepayment options, you can plot a course towards financial success. Remember, responsible borrowing and meticulous planning are the fuel that will propel your business past the gravitational pull of high interest and towards a brighter financial future.